Yes, you are welcome everyone to another video tutorial. Today we want to look at the tools needed for this particular course. So let's look at those tools and extension you need for this course. First, you will need an IDE, which is the Visual Studio Code. Remember I talked about the IDEs in our last class. So you need a Visual Studio Code or any of the IDE like PHP Storm or Atom or Brackets. So I'll be using VS Code in this course. So you also need some extensions to install on your Visual Studio Code. Extension that will make life easy for you. You need extensions like Emmet, like Prettier, like PHP IntelliSense, and some other good extension. This is how you use for the extension. You click on this extension here, this icon called extension. You can search for Prettier or any other one by doing this Prettier. So you can just install any of this Prettier extension. So if you also want to look for Emmet or look for PHP extension, just put PHP extensions. It will give you those extensions like IntelliSense, IntelliFix, or anyone. Just install IntelliSense or IntelliFix to help you out. So another important tool you're going to need for this course, you need a server. I've talked about server, I've talked about the installation software and the stack. So in this course, I'm using the XAMPP, which is a cross-platform server. I'm using XAMPP. So it's a stack I'm using, and XAMPP actually contains Apache, MariaDB, which is for the database, PHP, and Power. So I'll be using XAMPP for this course because XAMPP can operate on Windows operating system, can also operate on Linux and also Mac system. So you can download XAMPP. So how do you download XAMPP? You go to the documentation or the website, which is apachefriends.org. So you click on any of this version. If you are using Windows, you click on this. If you are using Linux, you click on this. If you are using Mac, you click on this, and you follow the instruction to install XAMPP. Like I said earlier, I have already installed XAMPP, and I'm going to start my XAMPP to show you how XAMPP look like. This is the XAMPP server where I will be using this course. So another thing we'll need in this course, we'll need a Node.js. So you need to install a package called Node.js. Actually, we'll be running some of this package on the terminal. So because we want to run on the terminal, we will need Node.js and also a composer. For this course, I'll be using only Node for now. So go to the Node website, which is nodejs.org. So you're going to click on this one recommended for most users. Don't take this one because they are still working on this. Take the one that is recommended for most users. Click it and download it and install. So these are, you also need a browser for you to preview or output your work so far. So far so good. These are some of the tools you are going to need for this particular course called PHP OOP course. So thanks very much. I will see you guys in the next class. God bless you.